Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a few notes about blockers that have been removed in the last few weeks. So, first of all, in April, we had a blocker for apps that actually do wallpaper background pictures that could be installed on 24H2 Windows 11. There was a block because they had the ability to create a blue screen of death. So what happened is Microsoft, the maker of the apps for these wallpapers updated the software, which in turn made Microsoft remove the block because now it works fine. Now, if you are a user of something called a Safe Exam browser, this is a browser that has to do with maybe you could have it installed on your computer, for example, especially on 24H2. What it does is that if you are a university student, for example, and need to do an exam on a device that prevents you from actually going to other websites, for example, for not cheating, this actually was blocked. And so if you're mostly students, or even in some cases some people that might be working in enterprise, if you weren't getting the 24H2 because you had that blocker, that has been also fixed now. The last update they gave was of May the 9th and resolved external. That is because if you were running version 3.7 or older, there was a block. Now we have version 3.8 is now updated. So go and get version 3.8 or later, and you will have that available on your PC. So just go and check the same exam browser and update it basically if you want to have it updated to 3.8. At least this fixes the problem of the safeguard. Microsoft says that once you fix that, and the same goes for the wallpaper, if you haven't checked if there was an update for your apps, there is a 48-hour window where it might not appear immediately on your Windows Update for 24H2, but after 48 hours, it should normally be there, and you should see 24H2 appear as an upgrade. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.